just like it. It smells good though. Ooh, oh my gosh. Really?
Hey guys, we're out shopping. Just got a few things. Well, actually one thing. I had to get me another sports bra because we're working out now. And my other ones are very loose and old. And so I needed another one. And it's so cute. Definitely extra large.
Extra large?
Yeah,
What size are those?
large.
Oh, okay.
Pull it out. Pull it out. If you're ever in a store and you can't try it on, a good rule of thumb is like if it's like this and it goes all the way to your sides, then that should be a really good fit for you. Of course, it's not always foolproof, but like, of course, it would need to go all the way on your sides, on your waist, and on your hips for it to be a really good fit. And that usually works.
And that's your style tip for the day. The jewelry is really cute. The jewelry is cute. The gold jewelry. Yeah, that's cute.
I like the richer color of the one at J. Crew.
Okay, yeah.
What if our glasses were transition glasses, but they didn't transition in here? Kind of cute, right?
The tan colored ones?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Those are cute. They feel good.
They do, and they're stretched too. They have a little stretch to them. But these are 12.
Oh, that is pretty. Oh, it's Ralph Lauren. Play. Wait, why wouldn't you take off the other belt?
I don't feel like it.
Oh, she's so pretty. That's...
I have my Jolie Noire t-shirt on, our J-Wagon, toy bush belt, and then my jeans from Banana Republic Factory, and then my foldy slides.
Who's looking at you?
L'Occitane.
Oh, L'Occitane.
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 L'Occitane?
L'Occitane.
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 Okay. So guys, I just received this package from L'Occitane and I am super excited. They hit me up a couple of weeks ago in my DMs and they asked me if I wanted to receive a package from them. And I was like, oh yeah, I'd love to. Like, I've seen the brand in malls and, you know, different things like that. Never considered going into the store to actually purchase anything. And come to find out, they are a skincare brand. And so if you know anything about me and Kim, we love our skincare. And I've been wanting to take my skincare to the next level. If you look on my social media, you'll see all of the different contraptions that I've been using lately. And so, yeah, this was exciting. So I'm going to read the letter and it's super cute. Guys, this is actually a card that has floral or flower seeds. And you can just like put it in soil and plant it, and 4 to 6 weeks, flowers pop up. So that's super cute, very thoughtful, very considerate card. That's super sweet. Like, that's a dope way to send flowers. This is what it says. As you see, it has my name, to Keondra. It says, a journey awaits you. Embark on a voyage of the senses with beauty inspired by the natural wonders of the south of France. Our iconic body and skincare are crafted in partnership with local producers to deliver you the best formulas from seed to skin. These rich ingredients are a love letter to the nature from which they are cultivated, and much like the letter in your hand, hold hidden wonders. Follow the instructions on the back and bring a piece of Provence to you. So yeah, as you can see on the back of this card, it says to plant this letter to enjoy lavender from Provence. I love lavender, you guys. So yeah, let's open this up and see what they sent me. Kim is sitting here too. She's been waiting. She wants me to open this up so bad. Oh, cute! PR box! Love it! I love it. The box is so beautiful. Wait, what did you say? Okay, so let's open it up. Lovely. So nice. Oh, yes. Okay. Okay, so they sent hand cream. Okay. Oh, yeah, I know, right? So, hand cream. Then they sent, okay, Immortal Divine. What is this? Okay, youthful oil, baby. Yes. Okay, guys, I'll be turning 40 in some months. So I've been all about like using the best of the best as it relates to like serums and things like that to combat aging. And so, yeah, I didn't realize how important that would be in these years. I can't remember what Josh said that they were sending. It doesn't say on here what it's for. I'll read on the back. Okay, yeah, it's too small to be trying to read that now anyways. But yeah, then they sent Immortal Prosecute. Y'all don't speak French. Okay, Proactive Youth Skincare, Enriched Emulsion. Baby. Okay, pores, fine lines, and plumpness, baby. Okay, all right. Y'all, Kim looking at me. She's judging me. Do you know French?
No.
Okay.
I know Espanol.
No habla inglés. Okay, I'm sorry, y'all. Forgive me for the ones who speak that other language. Okay. Okay, and then there is the, y'all send me stuff with American words on them.
American? You mean English?
English. Lord have mercy. Okay, oh, so this is the shower oil. Okay, cool. So she told me they would send 2 things, but then they sent 2 extra things. So yeah, and I knew that they were sending shower oil. So thank you so much to my friends over at L'Occitane. And yeah, you guys go and purchase some of these things. Like I'm sure you'll love and enjoy them just like I am about to. Y'all, look what came in the mail. My Kristen S. So Kim had received a box from them like maybe about a couple months ago. And they hit me up and asked if they could send me a box of goodies. And they did. It got here today. And I'm super excited. If you know anything about Kristen S., you've probably seen them like in your local Sephora or in... can't get it out of here. You've probably seen them in also Target or like other retail stores. But so this is their signature shampoo, and I can't wait to use this. Lightly clarifying, high lathering, enhances shine. It's for all hair types, so we love that. And then here is the signature conditioner. Weightlessly moisturizing. Like, we need everything to be weightless, okay? Then we have here the dry shampoo. I will probably use it because, you know, don't want people sending you anything if you're not use what it is that they send. But I've never been interested in dry shampoo, but I'll try it. Here is the hairspray. So can't wait to use those. Isn't it pretty?
That'd be a cute new arrangement.
Yeah, it would.
I wish that they were longer, like so they could do a taller waist.
Mhm.
Like, that's cute.
I love it. These are pretty too.
These here.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, but they're already on. Like they already have.
I like that though. I could use that for my room. Hi guys, so we are out and about today. About to head to the gym. And no, we're gonna head to Target first, and then we're gonna go to the gym, and then we are going to head to home. So yeah, this is my outfit today. I have on my white sneakers. What are these? Oh, Reeboks. I have on my white sneakers, white Nike socks, some black leggings, and then I have on this Mickey Mouse sweatshirt that, yes, I am going to work out in. And then, so this is how my shoes look from here. We just finished eating a salad at this place called Bellina's. And we are here now at the new Pottery Barn in, where are we? Where are we? Yeah, in Palm City Market. Palm City Market. Okay, so guys, this is how my outfit looks today. Can't really tell because it's so dark right here. I'm sorry. Yeah, it's super dark. Okay, either way. But yeah, this is my outfit. But yeah, so about to head to Target, and yeah, I need to find my Janae nailer stuff because it was delivered. They say no, yeah, that's right. It was delivered to my office door. But yeah, so I gotta go get my stuff because I need my stuff. Ew. Those are glass beads, but they're like, they have some type of weird meaning behind them. Yeah. Are those the extra thick?
I don't know if they have that.
Oh, okay. This might work for me better because, yeah. I mean, my feet were falling asleep.
Then they have a quilt under theirs. Where would we put two comforters? Because like I like that. I mean, but I can also do it just with the one comforter.
What do you mean? Where would we put
like,
two
where would
comforters?
I put two comforters? Because like the duvet would stay on my bed.
Mm-hmm.
The one comforter could stay, but then like the other comforter, that's too much. But that one is a duvet still. It's like.
Okay. Yeah, because I don't want a duvet. I want something that's simple.
This is not very expensive for the size that we have now.
Oh, it's just $400. Yeah, cool.
Cool. And it's definitely time for us another one. And
Yeah, I like
this
that.
color.
That's nice.
But I also like this color coming probably with our carpet now. This reminds me of Mom. These rugs have always reminded me of Mom.
Oh yeah, the Oriental style. She likes that kind of stuff.
Yeah, or if she did.
You,
No, she doesn't anymore. Excuse me.
you. Jamming.
I like this one too. This reminds me of Home.
Home?
Yep.
Oh, the Berber carpet. Yeah.
Worst customers ever.
Yeah, of course they do. We know why.
I'm entitled to a carpet. Cut that crap out. I see.
West Elm customer pickup. Okay, so cool. We can enter from there. This market entrance here. Oh, this is so nice. ready for bed. I think we're going to end on this note for the vlog. Thank you guys so much for tuning in and watching all of our vlogs. Yeah, we're really excited, y'all, about this next season. Everything that's about to happen for Jolie Noire. Everything that's happening with both me and Kim individually. Y'all, look, lost my nail. But yeah, so I just want to encourage you guys that if there's anything that you're trying to accomplish, any goal that you're trying to reach, you can reach that goal. The Bible says that we can do all things through Christ who gives us strength. He gives us strength to live righteously, because that's ultimately what that scripture is about. Then he gives us strength to be able to live and do the things that we need to do. Strength in our bodies. Strength in doing whatever it is that we need to do. So I'm really excited, y'all. Can't wait. I'm even really encouraged and excited about new music, all of that. So yes, just stay tuned. Keep watching, y'all. We love y'all. Peace. Peace. Y'all, that's ridiculous. Oh my gosh.